Welcome to Easy, Delicious, Nutritious. In this video, I will show you my perennial garlic patch and how I harvest and use it in my everyday cooking. It is end of April in zone 5. One more month until spring. It's my favorite time of the year. Some dead leaves to clean up. This is my perennial garlic patch. Basically, this is the garlic I planted a few years ago and I forgot to harvest it. So the garlic bulbs stayed in the ground and the shoots come out every year. I don't plant anything else in this patch besides removing the dead leaves and occasional weed. I don't put much effort in caring for this patch. It's in a shady area under my grapevine. Here's a close-up shot. You can see the shoots are thin and close together. This is because the root is a full garlic head that has multiplied with smaller bulbs. Unlike chives, the leaves are flat with a fold right through the center. This one is a single garlic clove that I planted last fall. It's much thicker and stronger. Next time you see greens showing up in your garlic, instead of throwing them out, just poke a hole in the ground and plant them. You'll have a beautiful surprise a few months later. If you have younger kids in your family, get them involved, plant, harvest, and cook with them. To harvest, I use my scissors and cut about 2 inches above the ground. This will allow new greens to grow. I can smell the mild garlicky smell. It's so fresh and cheap, really, zero cost to me. All I have to do is leave this little patch of ground for garlic to grow, and I get to enjoy the fresh greens for months. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. I think this much is enough for what I need tonight. I washed this thoroughly. It's not muddy or dusty, so I don't need to soak it in water or separate each leaf. But you can, especially if this is your first harvest and you're new to growing your own greens. This is a vegetarian mushroom and Alfredo sauce that I made for dinner tonight. I simply use my clean scissors and cut up the garlic greens. Stir and serve. Looks delicious, and seeing the fresh greens in my pasta reminds me of spring. You can add them to your salad, fried rice, soup, really any dish. This is an omelette that my daughter made with the sautéed garlic greens. Here are the same shoots that I cut 2 days ago. You can see they are already growing back. Backyard gardening doesn't have to be complicated. I hope this inspires you to try out this cheap and easy way to grow greens. Comment below and share your garlic growing experience. Thank you for watching Easy Delicious Nutritious. Please like and subscribe and check out my other videos.